Here we have the graph symbol GRT versus the dollar. And what do we have? Well, looks like we did hit, I think it was our 125 to 130 cent target from last time we looked at this, which was a long time ago. It was like way back on over here in September. Not bad. I'm going to get rid of that for right now. And let's try this out for the time being. Now, I actually would be long-term bullish on this thing as long as you're especially above about 90, about 94.5 cents in this case on a daily closure. That does imply that this thing can actually trade down from here and just go for a higher low. Now, short-term time frames like a 4 hour actually don't necessarily look like that for the time being. If anything, 4 hour is showing several drives of hidden bullish divergence right here, and I actually would be looking at this one as another higher low, as long as you're above about 107.5. Now, the second that you do start to close 4 hour dildos below there, that's going to be problematic and very likely imply move down somewhere around $1, maybe even all the way down to that 94.5 cent region. That's at the point where I'd be looking for, you know, like the last chance for love on this one, and very, very likely to bounce somewhere right around there. But for right now, you know, what do we have? We have an uptrend. We do see contracting volatility into what would be another higher low right here, perhaps better seen on the 12 hour. Yep. We do start to see some momentum also is building up divergences, but I don't think it's ready just yet, man, to be honest with you. Do you think this one spends a little more time consolidating sideways? And then we'll talk about upside resolution points. Daily, yeah, daily remains downside angle below about 120, so fair enough. And 4 hour, what are we looking like right here? We'll actually turn back down below 108.25, so do be aware of that. Where to get bullish on this one, looking for, you know, an expansion, sorry, not an expansion, but expansion of the price, I guess. But more importantly, a return back around probably your May highs would be with a weekly closure. So that's coming in on Sunday above 117.5. That would look very, very good. Or a daily closure. Daily closure above about 122 would probably do it for me as well. That'd look very, very good. But for right now, just a bit of sideways. That is, of course, fine. And I'm long-term bullish on it above about 94.5 cents. Hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for the graph.